guys, it's us, the King Nova.
We're gonna do something really funny, okay? So watch this. Watch him.
Alright,
Okay, that was funny.
we're going to do a slapping challenge like this. Stop. Alright, we're gonna do a slapping challenge just like this.
What's a slapping challenge?
Face like me, face me.
He just. Help me, bros. Help me, brodies. Help me, brodies. Help me, brodies. Help me, bro. You were gonna do that, aren't you?
Yes, I was.
Aren't you? No. Help me, my mom.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Are you okay, broski? Broski, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! That hurt! Oh, my head.
Okay.
Just
No,
missed.
no kicking allowed. That kind of hurts.
This is my face. This hurt. Hey, hand.
Don't.
What does the hand say to the face?
You're getting slapped.
No, tell me. Okay, say I don't know or something else. What do you guess?
You get slapped.
Slap!
Okay, so I'm gonna get the camera, dude. Don't make me. What happened to your guy, bro?
Like this.
Dude, really, tell me.
I don't know. Remember, it got in the pool for some reason. Oh, it got wet. It got wet.
Okay. So, game. Stop doing.
I won't.
No slapping. No slapping. Dude,
I'm not.
Oh yeah, I thought you just wanted to be in the video. So that was our slapping That was our slapping challenge. If he will stop, and bye bye, bye bye. I can't go.